Welcome to Phone Transformer. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to download and install WPS Office app on mobile phone, so you can create, edit, and view documents easily on the go. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First unlock your phone, then find and open the Google Play Store app. This is the official app store for Android devices, where you can safely download applications. Make sure you are logged in with your Google account, as you will need it to install apps. Step 2. Once the Play Store is open, look for the search bar at the very top of the screen. Tap on it and then type the name WPS Office. This is the app we want, and typing the exact name ensures you find the correct one without confusion. Then, tap the search icon to view the results. Step 3. From the search results, select the WPS Office app. You will recognize it by its official icon and publisher name. Once you open the app page, find the Install button and tap it. This will start downloading and installing the app automatically, so just wait for a few moments depending on your internet speed. Step 4. After the installation is complete, you will see an Open button appear in place of the Install button. Tap on it to launch the WPS Office app. From here, you can begin using it immediately to view, edit, or create Word documents, Excel sheets, PDFs, and more, right from your mobile phone. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.